everyone, welcome to this lecture. So in this lecture we are going to learn all about setting up our hacking lab. This main section have 4 different parts. First, we will learn how to build our hacking environment. Then we will learn everything about hacking lab. After that, we are gonna cover about Kali Linux. So Kali Linux is a hacking operating system which is widely used by hackers, and we will learn everything about Kali Linux from beginner to advanced. And last but not least, some of the basic customization like increasing our internet speed so that we can work with ease. So in the hacking lab part, we'll be learning about VirtualBox, how to download and install it, how to set up hacking machines, and much more. Then we'll be learning about Kali Linux. We'll be setting up the latest version of Kali Linux operating system and use it like a pro. Also, we'll need a Metasploit operating system for further use in this course. So we'll learn about it and install it. And of course, installing different operating system inside our VirtualBox will help us to attack safely. That's why we will be installing different operating system like Windows, macOS, and Ubuntu. And last but not least, we'll be installing different mobile platforms inside our VirtualBox so that we can attack it and learn how to hack mobiles. So all of the installation needs some configuration so that we can use it with 100% functionality and power. So we will be covering that also. And thanks for Hello and welcome to this lecture everyone. So in this lecture we're going to learn how to download and install VirtualBox. But first of all, what is a VirtualBox? The VirtualBox is a magical creation. It's a software that grants you the power to run multiple operating systems on a single computer, just like a virtual playground. It lets you experiment, test, and play with various operating systems within the safety of your existing setup. So, if we test our hacking methods inside a VirtualBox, then it would be safe and nothing to worry about. And also, it allows you to run multiple operating systems on a single machine. So, it would be beneficial for software testing, development, and different experimentation. It creates a sandbox environment, ensuring that changes in one OS don't affect the others, promoting system stability. Additionally, it's free and widely supported. So, for all this factor, it is becoming very popular nowadays. So, we're going to use that VirtualBox in this lecture. So, let's install VirtualBox now, and we'll go to their official website. So here you can see we're on the official website, and you can download the VirtualBox based on your operating system. So currently I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click here. Then here you can see it is downloading. So you need to wait, and it depends on your internet connection how long it will take to download the entire app. So after downloading VirtualBox, you will get a app like that, and to install it, double click on it. So you need to click on next, 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 nothing to change here, and install. So here you can see it is installed. So after installation, you will get an interface like that. and I have already installed two Kali Linux, so you won't have that, but nothing to worry about. And I will guide you how to install all of these inside VirtualBox. So that's it for this lecture, and see you around.
Hello everyone, hope you guys are well. So in this tutorial I'll show you guys how to configure the VirtualBox. So here is the interface of VirtualBox, and I already installed in VirtualBox Kali Linux and Android operating system. So whenever I touch Kali Linux or Android, and this is the settings for this operating system. There is many options like new settings, start, discard. So here you can add a operating system in virtually and delete it or modify it. So create virtual machine procedure. Just click new, and here is a interface, and click name. So I want to create a Mac virtual machine, so I write here Mac and machine folder type and version, my desired version. So I want to make it 64-bit, and this is the custom memory size RAM. You guys can take or use RAM in any aspect like 2 GB, 4 GB, or any customization can be approved, and need to a hard disk space for this virtual Mac. Simply click create, and look guys, here is a interface about Mac. So this is not the end. We need some settings in basic, in advanced. Go to system, and in boot order list, optical is first, then floppy or processor. uh, Here I can take one processor, you guys can take two processor, and need to graphics controller in VGA mode. And this is the file where you download Mac and connected the Mac in virtual machine. And finally, when you do everything complete, just click start. Like I click here Linux.